Hey everybody, Lance the option teacher here. Just wanted to go over the SRX trade setups. I took two positive trades today and relatively straightforward. So you can see there was quite a bit of indications at lunchtime today. There was a trade right here where I entered in a call 0.62, did a quick scalp, closed it at 0.74 since we took this up move here. And then I took another one that was even better. Right here we got an alert above the R4 level. So I entered a 684 call at 0.59. Two contracts there. I closed one at 0.64, pretty quick gain. Then I put a stop at 0.59 just to break even on the other contract. I went up quite a bit. And then I stopped out at around this candle at 0.7. So you get a $5 gain on one contract, not too much on that first one. The second one was $11 gain. That's almost a 20%, about 18 or so percent return. So pretty decent day. If you look at the trade lab for different profits, we got quite a few people with winners. I also did an ATM trade. If you're interested in that, we do a trade at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time every day. And it was a call at 681. Just look at that setup real quick. That was a different trade I did. Let's see. So 9:30. 9:30, you see this big candle upward right as the alert came. We're right here, and it shot up pretty quick. Got out very good profits on that one. 1.71 to 2.03. I did 5 contracts on that one. That's about $150 in just 4 minutes. I also had a runner at 2.1, so that was a little bit of an extra gain using the SRX indicator. I had quite a few people winning on the SPY TM trades here. $20 gain, $280 gain. Lots of winners here. This was the trade I did, 0.64 to 0.72. I even show my entry and exit, 0.64, 0.72. And then the other SRX, 0.59, 2 contracts. Sold at 0.65. Sold another 0.75. I think I wrote 0.7 on the notes there. Yeah, it was 0.75 instead of 0.7. So even better gain there. Just real quick how to figure out your profits. So I made $5 here plus $16 there. 5 plus 16, 20. 5 plus 16, $21 total, but I only used about $118, so pretty close to about an 18% gain in the end. And this is easily scalable. If you want to do more contracts, you could easily do 10 plus contracts on these. You could also use SPX, even futures if you're doing this with funded accounts and whatnot. We do have a very strong community here of a lot of different option buyers here. You can see there's a lot of communications from Celtic Trader, Phil, who designed the indicator, 41% gain on another trader. So if you're interested in buying and seeing a lot of technical analysis, we're going in relatively short time frames. I use a 5-minute chart. We have some people using even 15-second chart and 1 3-minute charts as well, and you can either scalp or swing trade these. So you could join the link description down below. It has a lot of good information, and I'll see you guys on the Discord. Have a good rest of the day.